Hey, we're working outside of Honey Harbor today, just up on Gloucester Pool. We're working this pine behind me. We're going to be working him down. More or less the concern is the hydro that you can kind of see coming in all around it, and then we've also got the cottage underneath and the deck around it, so be very careful. We're going to just limit out to begin with, and then once we've got the top out of it, we'll end up blocking it down in a couple pieces. Pretty similar to what you've seen in our last videos, but kind of a gloomy day. Figure it might be fun for some different footage. Okay, got the tops tied up. We've limbed everything out. We got a pull line in the top, and we're going to put it right between the hydro on the left and the hydro coming in on the right. So ideally right where that rope is.